Welcome back to our class. Once again, my name is Femi Ayondikwe. So we want to look at how we can install theme into our WordPress website. What exactly is theme? When we are talking about theme in web design, theme is the foundation for the site complete design, all right? A website theme manages the front-end design, and at the end of the day, it establishes the overall appearance and functionality by managing its front-end design. It is a theme that helps you to bring out the shape, all right? In most cases, I like to tell my students that themes serve as the pillar of your building. When you want to build a house, the pillar that holds it, I'm not even talking about the template now, the pillar that holds it, without theme, your template cannot stand. So without theme, the appearance, the painting, the hanging of the pictures, the putting of your door, all those things cannot stand. So immediately you have your WordPress installed, it will automatically come with a theme. We are able to have, let's go back to our page. We are able to have this as our home page because there is a particular theme that WordPress came with. So let's go to our theme now. So go to appearance, click on theme. You see, as at now, what WordPress came with that installed was 2023. That's the name of the theme. And we have so many of them. So let's try as much as possible to go to the market for theme and see varieties of theme that we have. Okay. These are theme. All right. This is 2022 Astra. In most cases, I like to use, I don't know why I like to use Astra. So again, for today, let me just pick Astra and now we install Astra. Most of my site, I make use of Astra. But in your own case, you can make use of anyone. I activate it. Okay. As simple as that. Let's go back to check our home page, refresh it. Let's see a little different that we have. You see, very simple, but not just simple, at least something changes. Something does what? It changes. This shows that this is not what we originally have when we install the WordPress. That is that. So that is how to install your theme. So installing your theme is like beginning to design your website. And immediately you install your theme, the next thing you want to do is to give your website a beautiful look. So you do that by start designing the pages of your website. And as a starter, the same thing I like to tell my students is as a starter, WordPress has made it easy for you in such a way that within a short period of time, you can design your website. So how do you do that? Don't forget when I talked about plugin, I said with plugin, you can achieve a lot. You can achieve barely almost anything in your website. So let's go back to our plugin again. Let's go back to our plugin again. Okay. Plugin. Then there's a plugin I like to encourage majority of my starter students to use, which is, I call it starter template, okay? So let's look for starter template, all right, starter template. So look for starter template. This is it. Install it and activate it. Once you are done activating it, let's see what starter template can do for us within a very short period of time, instead of us waiting to start designing the pages of our website one by one. Okay. We have installed it. It brought us here and it's saying build your new website. I mean, build your website now. And you say, yes, that's what I want to do. Then you click on Elementor. These are page builders. We have Block Editor, Elementor, Beaver Builder. I click and use, let's use Elementor. When you take Elementor, now, these are templates. Templates are the appearance, the beauty of your house, the beauty of your website that people will see when they come. For example, when you get to any website and you see beautiful colors, the way they write it, the pictures, the way the arrangement of the pictures and the writing on any pages is the result of the template they use. Now, let's look at a template that we can just quickly use. Don't forget, we are looking at, we want to install a template into a teaching business. So first and foremost, let's look at the different kind of business that we have on the list. Look for the one that flows with what you do. Look for the one that flows with what you do. Okay, mine is learning. Let me see. Is anyone relating to learning? Let's see. Okay, we have learning. Then another thing you need to take note of is there are free and there are paid. There are free and there are paid. All these are, okay, let me just select the free one. I want the free one. Okay, I want the latest and I want free. Where is the free section? No, the option for free is not there. So let's just look for the one that flow with what I do. So if your business is an e-commerce, you can easily look for the one that is e-commerce. Okay, let me take LMS. LMS is for e-learning, or let me say online course. God bless you. Online course. Okay, I'll look for online course. Okay, let me see the one that is free that I can use. The one that is free that I can use. Blah, 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 blah. We are creative. Okay, I think I'll go with this. This is not bad. This is not bad for the purpose of this class. I'll pick this and it's free. Okay, I think I picked one. Then it's asking you to continue. So I'll click on continue. Here you can choose your colors. If you don't have a color yet, you still want to think about it, you can always come back, click on continue. All right, tell them who you are. In my own case, my name is Femi. All right, don't know what your name is, put your name there, put your work email. Okay, and are you a beginner, are you a professional, are you an expert? Put the one that belongs to you. What are you doing? Are you building your website for yourself or for your clients? I'm doing this for myself. So I leave it like this. Then you must agree before you continue. So by the time you now click submit and build my website, all these things that you are supposed to be looking for later will automatically come with the theme that with the template you are picking. And what are those things? The customizer setting, the widget, the plugin that you need to be able to work with this particular template, it will come with it. All the content of that template we pick, it will come with it. All right. Then you have the option of selecting the one you don't want. All right, let's go. And we give it some time. Once it's complete, you'll be surprised how our website will look within a short period of minutes, not even minutes. This is 22%, 29, okay, 29% is going, okay, reading underground, 90%, and almost done, that is 100%. And we see congratulations message now. Congratulations, your website It took exactly 33 seconds to build your website. Can you see how fast it is? So now let's go and check our website. View your website. Let's see the new look of our website. Wow. Wow. Can you see something? Can you see the power of technology? Just because you added that particular plugin we call starter template, just 33 seconds, and we are able to have all these on our website. We are able to have all these on our website, okay? So that is how to install theme and to install template to your website for you to quickly have a befitting look on your WordPress website. So I think you enjoyed that. You still have any question to ask, feel free to drop it in the comment section, or you follow the link in the comment section to communicate with me directly. All right, let's go to another topic quickly.